Himuon ako ni siya og tas kabet siya nga buwad karang maghantid kamatis. Sa Tagalog pa sarciadong tuyo. Yes. Ito na siya ako na siyang kwaon. Murag tilapia mo. So I'm gonna use the oil guys to stir fry all my naghan kay kog kamatis guys. So ako na siyang hiwaon tanan kay ganahan kog kamatis. And I have here the whole onion kay ganahan ko dahan kay lamas. Okay guys, so I already chopped the tomato and my onion, a little bit of garlic. My tomato is so many because this is the main ingredients of this specific dish. So now I'm ready to stir fry all my ingredients. I use the big pan for this. Look at that, you guys. I already stir fry first the onion and the garlic. And now let's put the tomato. Smell good already. I'm hungry. That's a lot of tomato, guys. Look at that. So when the tomato is already soft, you can put the dry fish. I'm gonna add the chili because I want super spicy. I'm gonna put a lot. I'm gonna put the sugar. So guys, this is already ready. I'm gonna put this in the bowl and I'm excited to eat. I'm so hungry. This is for my brunch. Rice. Without further ado, let's dig in. Yummy.